Multi-Factor Authentication, or MFA, is a two-step verification process for administrative and end-user logins. Even if it's not been deployed at your workplace, you may have already used multi-factor authentication. For example, when using online banking and you need to enter both a password and a verification code that was sent to you via text message, card reader, or a phone call. Let's look at how Azure AD manages multi-factor authentication. Multi-factor authentication can be summed up as something you know, something you have, or something that you are. For example, you know a password, you have a trusted device, and you can provide a biometric scan of your fingerprint. By using a second form of identity verification, you are significantly increasing the security of your systems. In fact, MFA is the single most effective action that an enterprise can take to reduce malicious activity. So with multi-factor authentication, even if a hacker has been able to get hold of a username and password, they still cannot log into a system, since they will not be able to provide a second form of ID verification, such as a fingerprint. Azure Active Directory offers a range of security features, as you can see on screen, such as conditional access, identity protection, and multi-factor authentication. You can manage MFA settings using the Azure Active Directory Admin Center, as shown on screen. You can use a policy to enforce users to register for MFA when they first sign in. This setting is found within the Azure AD Identity Protection and is turned off by default. You can enable the feature and then configure which users to whom the policy applies, for example, your remote workers. You can also configure additional settings, including the verification options available to your users, such as using a mobile app or text message. Verification options include a phone call, where an automated call can be made to a user's registered phone, or an office phone asking for verification information. Or a text SMS message can be sent to an authenticated phone or office phone. This code is then entered into the sign-in verification prompt. Other options include app notification. This is my personal favorite. Microsoft offers a Microsoft Authenticator app, which can be used to prove identity. This is done by sending a verification prompt to an app. You simply verify using your fingerprint and the ID is validated. Or you can also retrieve a verification code from the Authenticator app, which you then type in during the two-step sign-in process.